Okay guys, here we are again, this time with the GP 2018, and look what we found out. That's an armature of the old starter, and it really turns hard. And now watch what will happen. We open the screws slightly, and look, it turns like a champion with no resistance. So it must have to do something with the cover. We will now tighten the screws again, and yeah, it's almost blocked. So we got, in the meantime, we got the A3 cover, this little fucker here, and we will install that and see how it goes. And we also will use, instead of the hexagon screws, we will use Allen screws, and I will show you later why. Dichtung ist drauf. Okay. It's important to torque the screws all the same, because the cover gets tilted and now it's stuck. See? As soon as you tighten the second screw, it gets lighter and lighter. It has still too much resistance. Ah, now it's good. Okay, that's it for the moment, and we will come back to you. The next thing we do is we will install the starter and then see if it cranks the engine over or not. See you later, guys.